In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to open a PayPal account in China in just 5 minutes. Now, we often encounter situations where having a PayPal account becomes essential, whether it's for online shopping, receiving payments, or securely handling transactions. So let's dive in and get you set up with an account quickly and smoothly. First, you're going to want to open your web browser and visit paypal.com.te2. This is the specific site for those of you setting up an account in China, and it ensures that the necessary services are available to you in your region. Once the web page loads, look for the sign up button, usually prominently displayed on the homepage. Give that a click to embark on your journey to creating a new account. Now, you'll see an option to choose between two types of accounts. For most personal uses, you'll want to select the personal account option. This type of account allows you to shop online, send money to friends and family, and receive payments. Once you've selected personal account, go ahead and click get started to continue. You'll then be prompted to fill in some basic information, enter your first and last name, your email address, and create a strong password. A strong password is crucial for keeping your account secure, so consider using a mix of uppercase and lowercase letters, numbers, and symbols to make it robust. Next, make sure that when you're asked for your country or region, you select China from the drop-down menu. This step is vital as it ensures the services and support provided are tailored to your specific location. Following this, you'll need to provide some detailed personal information, including your full name, residential address, and phone number. This information is necessary for account verification and transaction authenticity, so be sure to enter it accurately. Once you've filled out your details, PayPal will give you the option to add a bank account, debit card, or credit card to your account. Adding a financial card or bank account not only helps streamline future transactions, but may also be necessary to verify your account's authenticity. Speaking of verification, there may be an extra step where you're asked to verify your account, either by linking it to your bank account or by providing additional information. This step helps PayPal confirm your identity, so don't be surprised if you're asked to complete it. Finally, take a moment to review PayPal's terms and conditions. It's important to understand the service agreement and how your account can be used. Once you feel comfortable with these terms, click Agree and Create Account to finalize your setup, and there you have it. In just a few simple steps, you've successfully opened a PayPal account in China. You're now ready to take full advantage of the convenience and security that PayPal offers for all your transaction needs. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.